My first... Yo, what's up everyone? I'm Jackie YBT, tech away, tech everything. Welcome back to the channel, and today I'm gonna unbox my first gaming mechanical keyboard. Yeah, I used a mechanical keyboard before, but I never owned one, and today I finally own one, which is the Cooler Master CK350. This is a budget RGB mechanical gaming keyboard, and I picked the Lukrembo brown switches. So switches take up a big chunk of the cost of making a mechanical keyboard. So if you want the really good stuff like Cherry MX, you gotta pay more to get that. So Lukrembo is like an alternative to the Cherry MX switches. They're made by a Chinese company. They're quite popular and they're well known also. Have the same durability as a Cherry MX, 50 million keystrokes. So don't worry about the durability. Gonna last for many years to come. Plus you get like a 2 years warranty. So take a look at the back, show you the full size of the product. You know, this is a full size keyboard. I like a full size keyboard with a numpad. I think this is very useful when typing numbers. You know, some people are willing to sacrifice a numpad, go for the compactness. Yeah, like this 10 kilos or even smaller than 10 kilos, but I like full-size keyboard. Yeah, personal preference. Basically, it's showing you the summary of the feature that you get out of this keyboard. Mechanical switches, I say it comes with blue, brown and red. I choose brown. I like tactile, but I don't want to be too noisy. Blue switches tends to be clicky and noisy. Yeah, personal preference once again. Okay, RGB backlighting. This is really important. It complete my setup. You know, I got RGB mouse pad, RGB PC, custom build, and mouse is not RGB, but it's good. Got light somewhere. So, and cable management, functional key features, minimalistic design, on the fly on controls, the same thing but in different languages. That's it. It supports for Windows 7, 8.1 and 10. You can use it for Mac, but the keys, the way they set up the keyboard, they made the keyboard is specifically for Windows because all got Windows key there. You can use it for Mac OS, just you lose some features, okay? And this is not water resistant, so don't spill on it. Let me unbox it. Cut through it. Okay, pretty easy. This is a US layout keyboard, yeah, if you're wondering. So let me unbox first. Oh, pretty tight.
That's what she said.
Oh, forgot to mention about the packaging. Signature Cooler Master purple and the window. Pretty common practice for you to test it out and leave some of your fingerprint there. Okay, open it up. Whoa, look at that. I like this plastic cover. You know, if you're not using your keyboard, you can put this on top, prevent dust going in. Pretty good. Okay, what else? Oh, there's a cable. Okay, take this out first. I'm not gonna mention too much detail because I'm planning to make a review video of this keyboard, so stay tuned. So this is your quick start guide. Show you how to set up the keyboard, like the RGB lighting. You can set up the RGB lighting without the software, or you can just go download the software if you want to. Okay. Oh my, how careless I am. There's still got one more thing that I forgot to show you guys. It's very cheeky. Hide it at the back, which is the keycap puller. Where is it? Where are you? Okay, so this thing. Yep, you use this keycap puller to pull out the keycaps. Pretty nice. It's aluminium, it's not some plastic shit. Okay, it's not too heavy. The base, okay, the base is made out of plastic, and you got the stand, the kickstand with the rubber coating on top, which is good, prevent the keyboard moving. The cable is like nothing really special about the cable. It's not detachable, and it's not the cable type that I like, which is like, you know, the nylon cable. This is just normal rubber cable, and yeah, look at that. Okay, even the USB is matching with their corporate color, which is purple. Good, good. Attention to detail. It has like a brush aluminium finish. I really like it. Minimalistic. Yeah, this is like I call it naked type of keyboard design. It's easier to clean it up because you can see the switches is like showing up. Okay, without further ado, let me just plug it and start using it. Wow, look at that. Purple light. I don't want purple light. It's not my favorite color. So I'm gonna switch it to the rainbow effect. So we press Fn and F5 to cycle through different RGB lighting option. Okay, not this, not this. Yep, this is the one I like it. So it's like a wave, rainbow wave. Okay, so I'm gonna let you guys hear the sound of the keyboard when you press on it. Yeah, that's about it guys. It's just a simple unboxing and hands-on video. In-depth video coming soon. I don't know when, but I'm trying my best to make it as soon as possible. My first impression is pretty good. Oh, my voice. It's not too heavy, yeah, because of the price tag. They need to cut some corner, but it's quite sturdy. I like the design. Pretty simple, like minimalistic. Thanks for watching. Remember to click the thumbs up, subscribe, and click the bell icon so that you'll get a notification whenever I upload the new video. Share it to your friends and family, comment down in the comment section below, and I'll see you in the next video guys. Goodbye.